Kereng ki jingpen krek sarkar jala bun penlong ya kanong ba Shillong kum ka smart city. Ling ba ki project prepare haka arpo atre ulber arajar pusan lapen sngopat bakam pat long ka ba Shngaiñ haka Ïaid ka Ïeng ya ki ba Duna Dkhot mat namar ki lenti ki singkin kum ki lenti Ïaid ki jat kim long ki ba Biang bat bon sen ki haban shanya haki wei pat. Ya kani lapan sngau da ka kong rina len nong dhar ka balong ru ka wei na ki ba Duna Dkhot mat ba da ka doktor lahun lang so lia director ka PMR hadin ka jing pelat pat ba ya ka wheelchair accessible vehicle WEV ka balong ha Bharat Scouts and Guides laban. Habakran halor kini ka jing tmu ka sarkar ban wanra ya ka smart city hapo ka nong ba Shillong ka kong rina len ka laong. Ba ka jing pen krek ka sarkar kampat long ka ba Biang ban wanra ya ka jing sngu Shngaiñ jongki bat ka baki sngu don kam baha menta ka dei ka lenti Ïaid ka ba Biang.
I believe it's a great initiative been taken by Dr. Lahun and her family to launch, accessible wheelchair vehicle for person like us. Yeah, I'm grateful for that. I believe it would help us when it comes to transportation. Talking about accessibility in the city in Shillong, to my experience, you cannot say that city is not accessible. You cannot say that it's accessible for a person like us. If you are to go outside, you would definitely have to be passed through the same road with a lot of vehicles. It's not safe. Many times with my experience, it's not safe. I went to traveling through Footpath. That is not accessible. You have to stop halfway. You need somebody to help you. And would love if we can travel on our own. I believe government can do that. If they do, implementing accessible footpath, even for persons with accessible footpath is because it's not safe to travel. Like every time we go anywhere, we have to go through the same route that we've been passing. It's not safe for us, and that's the. And if government can do the part, then definitely accessible.
Nakaliang ka Dr. Lahun lang pat kalay tuling kot halor ka jingwan ra ya ka wheelchair accessible vehicle kiba kalahap ban pelot lang nalade na ka jing pamyo jingarap lut na ka sarkar haba benrap kala pentep ru bakila ban phone hau number nyo not pra san ar lai san not line rio ban pendan kam ya ka kali.
A little about this is just that we started it because people cannot move around, and I, as a doctor in physical medicine and rehabilitation or PMR, I found too many patients struggling because they cannot come for their appointments, or struggling because many say I cannot go to church anymore, or some say I do not get to meet my friends anymore. So it affects them at a very whole level. And it's not just physical. A lot of people have physical issues, but that goes on to mental issues when they get ignored and when they get isolated. And that is how this idea started. We actually had this idea for a long time. I had this idea, and it's just been sitting as an idea because I did not have the funds. And then somehow I believe that God opened up an opportunity, and we went to Prime. So in Prime they had this Kickstart grant. And from the Kickstart grant, we had to present it as a proposal, a project. And when we did that, they accepted it. And though I had full faith, I was surprised, but I was very grateful because a large chunk was from the grant. It was not the entire amount. So then there was still a lot left. I still don't have that kind of money. Dr. Amperine also filled in an amount which still did not cover it, but it was really helpful. The rest we covered from personally, but it was a very big cover from these other two, so we were able to do this. Plus the modifications, the traveling, it's a lot. It's not done here, so all that was covered because of their help. We hope that a pilot like this will be seen to be useful. So finally, the people with disabilities, when they use them, if they feel that it is something useful, then we can present it further to the government, or if the government feels that it is something which is of benefit to the people of the state, they will go on to more vehicles. I cannot say how many we can provide from the center or a private center, but if they see the need, and they should, then we will go further. Now it's not just about the vehicles, then we will go about addressing places for them to go to. From religious institutes, and I mean any religious institute, any religion, to places where they'll socialize, to restaurants, to hotels, it will be a bomb blast, it's like that. It'll start here and it'll spread. For now, because it's just one vehicle, so they can just call. They can just call the number which is here, 70852 35036. So as we expand, we will have apps, we will have booking systems. For now, because it is as simple as that, it might be easier for most to just give a call. And also, you have to think it's just one vehicle, so it might be booked already. But if it's free, if it's available, we will definitely make sure that it's there, waiting for them, taking them to whatever place they want to, and not just for health checkups. I stress on that.
When it comes to the cost factor, will they have to pay, or will there be a discount?
Yes, so in terms of right now, there's just an introductory price. So yes, they will have to pay, but it will be something that should be possible for them. Just like any other booked cab, we are not going to supersede that at all. We will make sure of that at all costs. It's not going to supersede any other normal way of traveling. Excuse me, although it looks like it's going to cost much more. The fear factor is there, but it's not going to cost more. What I'm saying about other states in the country, there are only few states and only the major states. And that in those states like Bangalore, Delhi, they have like 1, 2 of these vehicles also. So our government, if we want to really stand out, we're already the first in the Northeast, as far as we believe. But if we want to encourage tourism and people coming in from outside, they will work towards that. They will make sure that there are more of this, so that when people come in, and Shillong is a tourist, our state is a tourist area. People will come, people with disabilities will know that they will not struggle traveling from Guwahati to Shillong or going from Shillong to Sora. And so there, I think there's a lot of potential for the government to push forward.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, Duna ki eki bate ye kamet. Namar kata, habathiru ata ukhaw kamlo ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathaw bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakambha kajing im bakambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya